So today in this video we're going to discuss about an important question. So the question is regarding the transmission line voltage. So why the transmission line voltages are multiple of 11 kV? What is the reason behind it? Let's discuss about it without wasting much time. The transmission line voltages are often multiple of 11 kV due to its historical engineering practices. So primarily to compensate for about 10% voltage drop over long lines by ensuring a target voltage of 10 kV by arriving at the end by sending 11 kV. And this tradition, along with simplified transformer design and manufacturing standards like British system, solidified 11 kV, that is 10 kV plus 10% of losses, that is voltage drops, and it's a multiple, that is 22 kV and 33 kV and 66 kV, etc., etc., as common levels. Okay, so through modern high voltage lines often breaks this pattern. For example, in 400 kV it's not the multiple of 11 kV. So typically in modern high voltage lines often breaks this pattern, that is multiple of 11 kV. So this is the concept regarding why the transmission line voltage is multiple of 11 kV.